Here we have the PJU Card Saver. And now this one here, this is what it looks like. And so likewise with the Ultra Pro, I do think it's about the same size as far as the lift goes, right? So about, I'd say half an inch. Right now, if you go ahead and place the card inside, this one I like because you could actually open up the card saver and it's not a struggle. I mean, even to slide it in and take it out feels pretty easy. So if I grab the card like that, feels pretty easy to actually place the card in and out of the PJU card saver. So I do like how this one's built. And I know it might seem like they all seem pretty similar, and they are. But there's just some subtle differences that I have preferences towards as far as being able to place the card inside like that. And of course, you do have more room, but it is still protected on all sides technically. But I'd say slotting this card in and out of the PJU card saver was pretty easy. So I like this one so far.